All-purpose potting mix consists of several different components which will help your plant's roots to breathe and to absorb water and nutrition. While an all-purpose mix is good for most plants, some will need a few extra air pockets in the soil, so adding some additional drainage elements will help them thrive. You can look out for a potting soil with added inorganic drainage components like perlite, pumice, grit, or small-size LECA. Or you can add the drainage yourself to your all-purpose potting mix. In this mix, we've chosen to use potting soil and perlite. Perlite is a great element to have on hand to add drainage to different types of potting mixes. It's not too costly and it's lightweight, making it easy to grab at your local garden center. Over time, perlite can migrate upward in the pot, so it's always a good idea to check the soil every year to see if it needs a refresh. Do you find that you often need to amend store-bought potting mixes with extra drainage components? Let us know in the comments and join us over on the Planta app. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Planta, happy planting!